Hello, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Taylor, and this week's video is basically a footage dump. I've been doing all of this decluttering, and I have realized that I've never shared with YouTube or the YouTube channel where I'm moving to. So currently I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are moving to the Bay Area. So we're moving to Northern California. And when you're seeing this, we leave in 1 week. Or if you're watching this the day that it comes out, we're leaving in 1 week, but right now it's about 9 days away. So really cutting down on time, and we still have so much left to do. But yeah, I realized I never shared that. So that's what's happening. And I think next video, I'll sort of do a quick little breakdown of, you know, who, what, when, where, why, or whatever. But this video is like clips from the last several weeks of just purging and getting ready to move and packing. I've also accepted a job offer during this time, so that's in there. It was a little bit of a roller coaster of an acceptance, I'm not gonna lie, but I've been working the job for a few days and I feel like I made the right decision. I really like everyone. I really like the meat of the job, like what the job is about. So I guess that's always cool, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so much and just roll the clips. It's just a timeline of the last several weeks. And from here you can, you know, expect moving content. So we will be driving across country. So I will have some vlogs for that, as well as apartment hunting and then getting into the apartment, empty apartment tour. All of that is coming and I'm so excited, and I've wanted this for so long, and it's crazy to think about it only being 8 days away, you know? So yeah, I'm done talking. Enjoy the clips, enjoy me looking like I'm a handyman when I really don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, I may not get around to filming an outro because I'm quite busy. So in case I don't, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. So here is the current state of the apartment. What I want to do now, and the reason why we're here and I am looking nice and crusty, is I'm about to tackle this as best as I can. So I've got some Christmas decor here, as well as some Christmas decor in another tote down here. Don't know if you can see it. As well as like some seasonal wreaths. I've got some linens in here and just some like extra throw pillow covers that I'm probably gonna just give with the couch. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice, and at dinner just like dessert too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. You want lipstick, lip gloss, we're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh. It's just physical. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the pro tip for moving. Get rid of all of your frames and just keep them in a portfolio. You can reframe them later. So it's been some time. I dwindled down that Christmas stuff in the utility closet. I've got a big pile of stuff to go donate / put on the curb for free. I had to get myself put together a little bit because I have an interview. It's like 3rd round. Pretty sure I'm gonna get it, but anyways, before that, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing these books up because I know I have a good idea of what we're keeping and what I'm not sure I'm gonna leave out and let Chris decide on his own stuff. So yeah, it's still July 12th. Still the same day. I've literally never used any of these cocktail books, but I don't want to let them go. I thought they were so cute when I picked them out when I was building my bar card up. I was in a rush to do it for, I think Thanksgiving came around, and I really wanted to have my bar card done for family. Was anyone else completely obsessed with like these self-help or whatever books basically the stuff you find at Urban Outfitters and Anthropology. Was anybody else completely obsessed, or was it just me? My interview is in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go like sort of be with myself and prepare mentally, and I'll finish this later. But I'll probably be checking with you sometime this week. I'll make sure that I'm always stating the date. I'm a hot mess today. I just took the screws out from where we had some pictures hanging, and I got this very crappy patch and prime, like one-step thing from Target. They were out of like the putty, I think because it's back to school, so people are moving out and patching stuff up. But I had it on the app. It said there was like 12 or 8 or something in stock, and got there was none. This was all that was left that was decent. I don't dislike it, but it's soft when it dries. It says it dries, it's ready to paint in 30 minutes. That is not my experience. But I'm using it on all of the bigger holes that we currently have, or that are currently visible. Because if it is crappy, I would like to I'm going to Target again today once I finish up my job that I am actively avoiding. I'm kidding, I'm on my lunch break, but still. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Target today, see if they have the putty. I could go to Lowe's, just being lazy. I would really like for this to work. We don't have that many holes. I use command strips for a lot, but yeah, doing this. Today I'm also going to purge out a lot of my like toiletries. You know, you just accumulate a bunch of stuff under the sink or in your bathroom just over time. We really haven't gone through any of this stuff in probably 3 years. You know, like cotton balls, alcohol, stuff like that, stuff that really just isn't worth, you know, trekking across country. So I'm sorry, I had popcorn, so it's in my teeth. So I will bring you along for that.
Yes, we make love and always just say goodnight. And we cuddle, sure I do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me more? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just physical. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way it moves. Oh.
What's up? Today is Sunday, July 18th. It has been a couple of days since I checked in. I've had a busy weekend. But basically the situation currently is the movers are coming between the 20th and the 22nd. We're not moving for about 3 more weeks, but Chris's sister is moving, so we're taking advantage of her movers as well. So she's moving before us, obviously. So the things that we want to be included on that truck need to be in the storage unit within 48 hours. So we're moving right along. This is what the closet is looking like. Obviously a box. I've literally 8 pairs of shoes that I'm using. A pair of Crocs as well. So if you count Crocs and Birkenstocks as shoes, 8 pairs of shoes. I've got just a bunch of random stuff in here. This is my last box I need to fill. Chris has some work to do when he gets home later. Everything is a mess. Max is not happy. Let's see. I've got to list these for to sell. I'm probably gonna do like $1 a piece. It's such a steal, but we don't have the room to take them. So we'll just get more if we decide to do that system again. Here's another bag full of sweaters. My desk is totally disassembled for the most part. I'm not even working there at this point. At the desk, still at the job that I avoid daily. And then this is gonna be Chris's last box that he is gonna fill up, I think this afternoon or this evening. Yeah, because it's already the afternoon. So this evening, we have made the decision to sell this TV as well as this TV. Oh, we've sold the couch. So we sold our couch this week, and this is the couch that was previously in the office. used to live right over here. So this is Chris's. He's still working through everything. Just gonna stay out of it. But yeah, this is the little office couch that we've been rocking on for the last couple of days, and we'll get rid of this right before we go. And yeah, that's where we are. Basically by, I think today, tomorrow, everything that we would like to be included in the movers shipment will be there. These things, I really wanted them to fit in my art box. This is my gigantic clipboard. Do a lot of my artwork on there. And then my pegboard that I'll just put them in the bottom of my car. This mirror, my friend Nikki is buying it from me, or has purchased it from me. We just have not been able to successfully coordinate getting it picked up, but it's hers. She knows it's hers. I know it's hers, so it's nothing to worry about. And this mirror, I may sell it for maybe like, hold on. I may sell it for, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks. I'm not sure. It's a very cute mirror. I don't know what I could do. This is my hand for scale. It does have some damage to it, so we'll have to see. I'm sure somebody will want it and won't mind the damage. So I have been talking a lot about how much I don't like my job. I've been applying. I somewhere in this vlog went and had an interview. I was dressed for an interview, and I've been waiting to hear back from them since Wednesday of last week. It's Monday of this week. I had my interview Monday of last week, so I was like, let me reach out. So they got back to me. They actually called me. They did extend the offer, and I'm so excited about it. I literally cried earlier, but I just got the official offer email. I don't know what the money is looking like, so I thought I would record that. Okay, it doesn't have the dollar amount in this email. Okay, well, I'll check back in. Literally, my heart is racing. I will check back in when I guess that comes through. All right, so I'm like kind of irritated. I just got a call from like the HR person. Oh, where can I send the documents? And I'm like, I don't know the salary. Oh, it's very low. It's more than, I mean, less than what I'm making now. I'm sorry, like I'm getting, okay, bye. So in a shocking turn of events, the job offer increased more than my current salary. I had pretty much already made the decision to accept it. And then I got a call like, hey, we restructured this. We really want you. How's this sound? I was like, oh, that sounds great. I didn't tell them I was already gonna accept it, but hello, beautiful people. It is Thursday, July 29th. I don't know when the last time I checked in was, but we are getting so close. We are 2 weeks from tomorrow. We will be leaving. We'll actually be leaving my parents' house. So 2 weeks from today, we'll be completely like out of this place, which is crazy to think about. I just am on my lunch break right now. I don't see it, but my work computer is right there. My personal computer is right there as well. I'm also getting all of my equipment for my new job, which I start on Monday. So today is, hold on. So today is Saturday, July 31st. Sounds crazy to say that out loud. The place is still looking crazy, but slowly but surely, slowly but surely, we are getting things out of here. I just took a bunch of stuff to be donated. I took some stuff that was to be trashed, like our big trash compactor. I did what I think could possibly be our last grocery run in this apartment in Georgia. The new job laptop just came. So I'm gonna open that now. I start Monday at 9 a.m., which is really noon for me. I did get, I mean, as we all know, I love Bagoo. I did get another laptop sleeve. This one goes, I have the strawberry one for my personal computer. I did get this for this. Hope it fits. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, perfect. It's snug, but fits. Okay, so it's the same day, a couple of hours later. I've been sitting here trying to figure out, you know, like, what can I get out of this house? What can I go ahead and just get a head start on? So earlier, I went to Goodwill and I cleared out, can you see? I cleared out a lot of our dishes. So you have like plates, saucers, bowls. Got rid of, I donated it, not got rid of it, but I donated all of that. What I have been holding off doing is sort of packing up all of our Pyrex ware, our big dishes. That's the only thing we're keeping is like our Pyrex stuff and a couple of like sentimental glasses. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that packed in here. I ordered some, it's heavy, packing paper. Yeah, okay, it's only 5.5 pounds, but yeah, I ordered some packing paper, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, or at least start. I think my biggest bowls and the biggest dishes are still available. So I'm just gonna put in what I can to get the ball rolling, honestly.
We hug and yes, we make love and always just say goodnight. And we cuddle, sure I do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss it all with a young boy? We ain't got nothing to lose.